राज्याचे एकूय प्रश्न संसदेत भाजपाचे खासदार मांडटना दिसना. मागीर जावं तो मायनिंगेचो, राज्याक खासा दर्जाचो वा कोळशाचो प्रश्न आसूं. प्रधानमंत्र्याक फाटले 4 म्हयने जाले गोंया खातीर मातूय वेळ ना. काय गोंयच्या प्रश्नांचो हुस्को ना असो प्रश्न काँग्रेसीन केला. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
This BJP-led state government, you will realize, has not made any effort to evolve some sort of, discussion on one table with direct dependents, indirect dependents, all the political parties, all concerned with the industry. BJP government has never made any effort to bring everybody on one table so as to chart a way forward. Tumka yaad zatli, some month ago, some days ago, they said we'll lead a all-party delegation to Delhi. Even our MLAs, because we have always supported the resumption of sustainable mining in the state, even our MLAs participated in it. BJP government in the state has been a pure failure as far as this mining issue is concerned. Now, if I could only take you back in time, you will recollect that the Honorable Supreme Court pronounced the judgment in that Goa Foundation case, whereby the second lease renewals were struck down. And this happened on the 7th of February 2018. Now, since that day, that is since the 7th of February 2018, if you take 7th of June, it will be about 4 months. So we are almost approaching 4 months since the date of Supreme Court judgment. But you will realize that this government has not taken any act nor any action to resume sustainable mining in the state. Because they are unable to run the state. They are unable to govern the state. The issues in the state are mounting. The chief minister is not in the state. The CAC is a farce. Chief minister is away for more than 100 days. And the economy of the state is crumbling. There is no solution that this government is putting forth before their own central government and before the people. Therefore, BJP has no right to remain in power. This government has no right to remain in power. It has not worked for the people of the state. It has not solved the issues of the people of the state. It is unable to help the economy of the state. Rather, its actions are making the economy collapse. And in such situations, this BJP-led headless government has to go.